Hello, I'm Sana, and in this video I'll be sharing with you why budgeting is so important for small business success and giving you some real-life examples on how budgeting has helped other small businesses thrive. Plus, I'll share some tips on creating a budget for your small business. First off, let's talk about why budgeting is so important. When you're running a small business, there are many moving parts to keep track of. And without a budget, it can be easy to overspend in certain areas or to miss out on opportunities to save money. A budget gives you a clear picture of your income and expenses and helps you make smart financial decisions for your business. Here are a few examples on how budgeting has helped other business owners. A cafe owner I know used a budget to figure out where they were overspending on supplies. They realized they were buying too much coffee and not enough tea. So they adjusted their budget to reflect that and saved thousands of dollars a year. A clothing boutique owner I know used a budget to plan out their inventory for the year. By budgeting for the clothes they wanted to stock, they were able to make sure they have the right mix of items, and they ended up having one of the best sales seasons ever. A landscaping company I know used a budget to plan out their marketing expenses. They realized they were spending too much on print ads and not enough on online ads. So they adjusted their budget to reflect that and ended up getting more leads and closing more sales. So as you can see, budgeting can really make a big difference in the success of your small business. And creating a budget is easier than you might think. Here are a few tips to get started. First, start by listing out all of your income sources and expenses. Look for areas where you might be able to cut back on expenses, like subscriptions or memberships you don't use. Make sure to set aside money for unexpected expenses like equipment repairs or unexpected sales tax. Review your budget regularly, at least once a quarter, to ensure you are on track. In conclusion, budgeting is crucial for business success. It gives you a clear picture of your income and expenses and helps you make smart financial decisions. And with the right tools and mindset, creating a budget is easy. So go out there and budget like a pro.